Assalam Alaikum, welcome to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. Today I'm planning to make famous English dessert, fruit trifle, and it's very easy and very delicious. I remember when I was back home working, every wedding, any party, they always request fruit trifle as a dessert. So please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. For our English dessert, I'm making some jelly. So I'm gonna add 2 cups of water, and I'm planning to make 2 kinds of jelly. One is banana flavor and one is strawberry flavor. So I'm gonna add it's a one packet of strawberry jelly. It comes in a packet. Just follow the instruction. So it's about 2 cups of water. I'm gonna add it to the water and dissolve everything nice and smooth until it's boiled. So our gelatin is boiling now, so I'm going to remove from the heat into a cup. So now we're going to make a second gelatin, banana flavor. So same thing, 2 cups of water and 1 pack of gelatin, banana flavor. So our gelatin is boiling. So now we're gonna mix our custard powder. It's about 5 tablespoons of custard powder. We're gonna mix with 1 cup of milk, cold milk. So we're gonna nicely dissolve everything, smooth. This is the first step. Ready? So now I'm gonna heat it up about 1 liter of milk. So now I'm gonna heat up the milk. It's about 1 liter of milk. So our milk is heating up. So I'm gonna add about 1.5 cups sugar. I'm going to dissolve all the sugar. So make sure when the milk is warm, then you add your custard mix. So now I'm going to start adding our custard mix slowly. I'm going to mix everything in the bottom also. So we're gonna let it cook. Until it's nice and thick. So our custard is nice and thick. So I'm gonna remove from the heat and let it cool down. Once it's chill, nicely cold. So we're gonna assemble our trifle. So everything nice and cold. So we're gonna assemble our fruit trifle now. So first I'm gonna put some pound cake. You can get from any bakery shop. I just cut into dice. And some mixed fruit. Any seasonal fruit you wanna add into. And the custard, add some little bit of custard. finally I have some whipping cream. It's optional, you want to use it, that's perfect. If you don't want to use it, that's also okay. So it's ready and pretty easy to make. Take a little time to keep everything nice and cold, otherwise it's very quick. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, came out very nice, look amazing. Please do try this recipe, it's pretty simple and easy to make. It's for your special occasion. And also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And if you like our video, please consider subscribe our channel. I will be back pretty soon with another exciting video. Take care of yourself, stay safe. Allah Hafiz everyone.